What's up, guys? We got a great new pack today for Chrome Week. It is the Tag the Universe pack, and I'm so happy to bring it to you guys. This pack features a Uni broad marker, a scribe, which you guys love, and a nice assortment of eggshell stickers. It's a great little kit to get you on your way, and it's a great deal ready for you. The Uni Marker is a very popular marker among graffiti artists. It's a pump action marker with a chisel nib that is reversible and modified easily with a razor blade or your grip tape on your skateboard. To get it going, all you have to do is give it a quick shake to get the ink mixed up, and then just depress the nib, get it flowing, and you can go ahead and start writing. Get a nice little feather going, and then as you write with it, the nib will further break down and it'll be just right, just right. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go ahead. All right, guys, let's do a couple quick hit-offs with this real quick, just so you guys can see how they write. I really love these markers. They have a really nice flow to them, and they're very popular. They've been around for years. If you don't have one of these in your graffiti kit, you're definitely missing out. Look at the grips. Oh, man, that's beautiful. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and do one more tag here real quick, just so you guys can see. Really nice. Very opaque ink, as you guys can see. Let's hit up Shock from Finland. Shock DGC. There we go. Beautiful. All right. One more tag for Boston. As you can see, you can get a line probably about 8 to 10 millimeters. Really nice. Very opaque and very easy to use. Okay, one more tag and we will close out. Let's hit up Doc. Shout out to Doc. All right. Oh, of course. Hold on one second. One more tag. AP Fat Squad. Too hazy, and then we're done. Woo! Before we close out, I got one more tip for you guys. Just unscrew the valve. It's a righty-loosey, it's backwards thread. Pull it out, add the ink of your choice. In this circumstance, I'm adding a little bit of Garvey to it. Screw it back on. Wouldn't hurt to put a little electrical tape on that bad boy. Make yourself a killer mix. Probably not showing up here, but it will definitely stain. There we go. All right, guys, that's it. You get all this for $4.99, for less than the marker itself. A really killer deal. And it's only available for 24 hours. So if you see this video tomorrow, it's gone. Sorry, guys. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. This is our daily deal. I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's a fantastic deal. And don't forget, if you have any questions about ordering, call artprimo.com at 206-365-4083, 206-365-4083. All right, thanks a lot, guys. See you later. Peace.